Calling all Ilocanos. Witness and join the grand opening of Aamac International Consultancy Firm and Services Incorporation on March 10, 2012 at Ciudad Fernandina Hotel, 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock p.m. Aamac International Consultancy Firm and Services helps every Filipino to work and live for a better life overseas. Brings a fresh and personalized approach to consulting services, treating every client as part of our growing family of trusting individuals. For interested applicants, submit your resume before March 10, 2012 at 2nd floor Plaza Maestro building for pre-orientation. You can also visit their office and look for their regional consultant marketing, Mr. Manny Balanza Jr. Or you can also contact them at 0916-4971-240 or 0947-952-6915. Or visit their website at aamacconsultancy.wordpress.com. Aamac International Consultancy Firm and Services Incorporation. Reaching out because you're worth it.